SDL. First thing you do is take the case. Next thing, take the armor front, pop that in place, grab the two armor front screws.
Make sure that the armor front is placed correctly, the opening for the deadbolt.
The opening for the deadbolt.
Oh, you got it right, yeah.
I got it right, okay. Get those armor front screws in. And these are the cutouts for access to the cylinder screws. That's how you get your orientation. Cylinder, cutout for cylinder screws. Get that screw in place. There we go. Oftentimes they'll use one of the air-driven screwdrivers, a little bit faster, but you know, I like the old touch. There we go. We can put this armor front on right away. It'll help line up the bolt. There's the armor front in place. Sorry about that. Armor front in place. Next is the bolt, and the bolt gets this pin. Where's this pin go? Goes in the back.
There you go.
Back there, lines up right there, and slides. And there's a small washer. Goes right there. There we go. Why is that catching? Okay, there we go, small washer. There's just a couple of parts left. That's the the thumb turn hub, the spring for the thumb turn hub, which it's easier to install in the open position, but if you rotate this to the lock position, the stop for the thumb turn hub will help keep everything in alignment. So here we go. Last thing to make sure you got lined up is the guide on the tail of the bolt, the
set cylinders,
the cylinder set screw bracket, and the thumb turn hub. All right, this gets 2 screws. Should have had Miriam do this. She's faster.
You want to document the assembly of the 2-inch backset along with all the parts.
And there we go. Thank you very much.